We traded in the traditional life to enjoy life on the road with the kids because you only live
Bye,
once.
Mom.
Join us on our adventures. We left after 5 days at Grand Ole Opry RV Resort. What an awesome experience. Everybody was so friendly. Nice park.
It's the Grand Ole RV Resort. It's not Grand Ole Opry.
Okay. We made it into Nashville. Went to our favorite spot, Acme Feed and Seed, for our anniversary. And travel day was today, and we made it to Delmonico Vineyards, I believe, and we're gonna go in for a wine tasting. Check it out. It's really nice. After leaving Nashville, we stopped at Delmonico Winery in Baxter, Tennessee. Then we went to another harvest host in Crossville, Tennessee, called Chuckles Family Center. And then we went to Sweetwater, Tennessee, stopped at Bradley's Barbecue, and we ended up going to another winery in Tennessee Hills, which was absolutely amazing. And we took a couple short videos of our adventures at these various harvest hosts, and man, did we have a blast. Pulled into the Sweetwater KOA in Tennessee to dump and to fill up our fresh water, and it's pretty tight. We got to disconnect, make the turn, but we're going to be on a road momentarily.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, then we go to the ice cream. It's right here. They're both.
Stell, you bringing Piggy to the barbecue?
Dada, you joked me the little piggy was in the barbecue. Like you burping in barbecue, and everybody gets out and stop on me.
They don't really
Burger,
have,
not
I don't think you like ribs. Yeah.
Looks like we're the only ones here. Because I didn't know there was princess ice cream and princess coloring.
And who are you coloring?
Mama, I don't think I know a single. Mama,
Oh, that's
do you know a superhero?
Tyler.
I'm just gonna have the pen right there.
Okay.
I want to try one bite today. Try one bite.
Hold on, I'm gonna get brisket.
You're not gonna try.
You need the full bite. Ready?
Okay. Do you like it?
That's good.
Well, we made it to our next destination. We stayed at Bradley's Barbecue in, I believe it was Sweetwater, Tennessee, or thereabouts. And short drive, only took us about 20 minutes stop to get some fuel at the Loves. And at Tennessee Valley Winery, pretty challenging to get in. We always read the reviews just to see what we're up against. The corner to make was really tight. Drove up on the lawn a little bit, and then the climb up into the winery itself was a challenge because narrow driveway, a lot of low hanging limbs, and very steep. So we're gonna try to get this thing tucked in without any issues, so we'll see how it goes. And rainy weather never makes it any easier, but as you can see, this was pretty high up. It's gonna be tight. Well, we made it in. It was definitely a challenge. Chantel had to get out and guide me in around the corner. Got a little nervous with the weight of the rig. We're well over 40,000 pounds, and the air brakes felt really spongy. But I was close to backing out, but we stuck with it.
Two in the front helped a lot.
Yeah, I agree. All right, come on in.
Now every day you change. So I'm gonna be me. I'm a girl, so I'm gonna be this. And I'm a boy, so I'm gonna be this guy. It's a very hot day today, and I don't really
It's
want
pretty
to be a man. Are you out here? Come
it's
on
pretty
out.
far up here. May not look like it, but it is.
Well, look nice. Good, well,
I said it's super, like,
very nice. So,
we're up
can
there.
you back up
Oh, I know.
because I need to
You like the heights, babe?
I like the heights, but not in Liberty.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like